It's our duty to share with everybody. Islam is the best. It's our duty to bring Islam back to our people. And this is my duty now. I travel Southeast Asia Pacific, to Australia, to New Zealand, Fiji, Tonga, Western Samoa, Papua New Guinea, to Taiwan. Yeah, I travel to Shanghai, to Beijing, Xinjiang, Linzia, Urumqi. Yeah, I travel all this time. I travel to all the Middle East, yeah, from Saudi to Bahrain to Qatar to Emirates to Europe, UK, Norway, Germany, Holland, Belgium, Canada, America. I'm going again to Mauritius. This is my job. To travel around the world to spread Islam. To call the world back to Allah. And that's you can call Khairul Ummah. The sisters and the brother from China, are you all revert or you are born Muslim? Are you all born Muslim? No. Majority born Muslim. Do you celebrate Chinese New Year in China? You don't celebrate. Yeah. Sometimes you make the Muslim here confused. You say you are Chinese, so they thought you will celebrate Chinese New Year. Kong Hi Fa China. But no. Kita kadang keliru. Kita ingat, oh ini Cina Islam. Cina Islam berarti dia akan sambut Hari Raya Cina. Tak. Walaupun dia Cina Islam, dia bukan pemeluk agama Islam. Lahirnya Islam. Orang lahir Islam tak sama pemeluk. Ya. Kita Chinese ini masuk Islam. Saya masuk Islam. I am not born Muslim. I am born Buddhist. My first hijrah not to Islam, to Christianity. I became a Nasara. And then alhamdulillah, I became a Muslim. And I will die as a Muslim, inshallah. Now what is very important, today we are talking about one important topic. Human heart belong to Allah. Al-Qulub. Allah said, Iz kuntum a'da'an fa'allafa baina qulubikum fa'asbahtum bini'matihi ikhwana. Allah said, He is the one who created all of us different. In one ayah, Allah earlier said, Ayyuhan nas, inna khalaqnakum min zakar wa untha, wa ja'alnakum syu'uba wa qabaila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Allahu Akbar. Allah said, oh people. He don't say, oh Chinese, oh Malay, oh Pakistani, oh Arab. No. Oh people. Ayuhan nas, wahai manusia. Allah tak panggil bangsa, Dia panggil makhluk namanya manusia. Tak kira apa bangsa dia tu. We created you, Allah created all of us from one father, one mother. Ika papa, ika mama. One father, one mother. Allah kata kita semua dijadikan dari satu ayah, satu ibu. Adam dan Hawa. Adam and Eve. We are big family. All are family. وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلًا. And Allah decided to make us into nation and tribe. Now we are different. Asal usul datang dari satu bapa, satu ibu. Kemudian dengan kehendak Allah, Dia jadikan kita bangsa-bangsa dan suku-suku kaum. Bukan kita pilih. We don't choose to be different. I don't think any of the Chinese sister here choose to be born in China. No. Suddenly, oh, we are in China. Fall out. Chinese scholars, Chinese passport. What can you do? You don't choose. Allah decide. وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلَ. Allah jadikan kita berbangsa, bersuku kaum untuk apa? Bermusuh, hina menghina, bergaduh. Tidak. Allah did not create us to fight with each other, to hate each other, to say, I'm white, I'm better than black. Who said that? I'm Arab, better than non-Arab and Ajam. The Prophet said, Ayuhan nas, inna abakum wahid wa kullukum min Adam wa Adam min turab. Laysa al-fadlun al-arabiyun al-a'jami wala ahmal al-aswad illa bitaqwa. That makes us together. We are different in color outside, but we are one inside. Semua satu. Luar berbeza, hakikat kita satu. Kenapa Allah jadikan kita berbeza? Allah know best. Lita'arafu, supaya kita berkenal-kenalan, so that we know each other. And now I came to know some Malay sisters here, some Malay brothers here, Chinese sister here, Chinese brother here, some Indian brother here. We are mixed. We are mixed, alhamdulillah. Anything mixed is always better. Mixed rice, good rice. Mixed curry, best curry. Mixed is always good. Nasi campur, semua campur-campur sedap. Pasambor sedap, rojak sedap, tarca sedap. Campur-campur semua memang sedap. Allah berfirman, Dia jadikan kita berbeza bukan untuk gaduh, bermusuh, lawan, no. Supaya berkenalan, get to know each other. Lita'arafu. And Allah said, the best among you are those who are more piety to Him. And that's why Allah said, Is kuntum a'da'an, dulu kita hidup bermusuh. Without Islam, we are like enemy. The Chinese don't like the Indian don't like the Malay don't like the white people don't like the Arabs. So every day fight with each other. But Allah said, Is kuntum a'da'an fa'allafa baina qulubikum fa'asbahtum bi'ni'amati ikhwan. Allah is the only one who can unite our heart. Only Allah can unite. No money can unite humans' heart. No leader in this world can unite our heart except Allah. Manusia, harta, wang ringgit tak boleh satukan hati manusia. Kita tak boleh beli hati orang. Tapi Allah yang menjinakkan hati-hati semua bangsa menjadi saudara. Fa'asbahtum bi ni'matihi ikhwana. Because of the nikmat of Islam, we are here together. We can sit down together. We can eat together. We can discuss things together. We can worship Allah and pray salawat together because of Islam. Alhamdulillah. So this is the beauty of Islam. This is what Islam promised us. Islam unite all of us to be one big family. I know, sister, what is happening in China. Xinjiang, Shanghai, I know. I met all the Ahong. Linxia, I always travel to Linxia, Langzhou. I know what is happening there. I'm talking to my people here in Malaysia. What is happening in China? Saya baru pulang daripada Shanghai. Saya selalu berangkat ke China, adakan mesyuarat dengan imam-imam, pendakwa-pendakwa saya. 2 minggu sudah baru saya pulang. Yang negeri Shanghai kita tahu rakyat China bilion, bukan million, bilion. Tetapi orang Islam masih ada 60 juta. Lebih banyak dari seluruh rakyat Malaysia. Tapi umat Islam di China tak sebebas macam kita. They are not free like the Muslim here. Bulan puasa, pihak komunis akan hantar pegawai-pegawainya sengaja pergi ke sekolah orang Islam, kilang-kilang yang orang Islam banyak bekerja, dan ajak mereka makan pada siang hari. Kalau dia tak makan, dia akan menyusahkan dia. Dia tak izinkan mereka berpuasa. Puasa dalam rumah, bukan di pejabat. Kalau orang masuk Islam di China, ada berapa murid saya masuk Islam di Malaysia, dari China. Kalau balik, dia ceritakan, kalau dia punya IC tidak letak hui, tetapi Han, mati kerajaan sana tak membenarkan dia ditanam cara Islam. Dia akan dibakar dan ditanam macam orang Han, orang tak Islam. Nak pergi dakwah sana tak semudah macam di Hong Kong. Hong Kong are very free. You can do conferences, you can do dakwah. I just came back from Hong Kong because I was the director of the Islamic Center in Hong Kong in 1985. Tapi kita rakyat Malaysia syukur, macam-macam kebebasan, tapi kena jaga. Hari ini kita senang, tidak mustahil esok kita susah. Kalau kebaikan, nikmat, keamanan yang Allah bagi tak jaga, satu hari kita boleh gaduh. Akhirnya semua orang akan susah. Sebab itu kita kena jaga perpaduan di kalangan umat Islam kerana Allah. Fa asbahtum bi ni'matihi ikhwana. Kita sudah jadi saudara. We are all like a family now. As a family, they will have problem. Do you have problem, sister? Ada masalah adik-beradik kadang-kadang? You understand some Malay, insyaAllah. Yeah. Ada problem tak? Ada masalah dalam rumah tangga? Ada. Anak ada masalah, adik-beradik ada masalah, suami isteri masalah. Betul tak? Kalau di India, dia ada T masalah. Ada T masalah. Tetapi apa yang penting, Allah berfirman, innamal mu'minuna ikhwan. Balik, fa aslihu baina akhawaikum wattaqullah. Semua orang Islam yang beriman, every believer are like a brother and sister family. If you have any problem, you must sit down and reconcile among yourself. Find peace. Peace is always better than war. When war comes, everybody suffers. And this is our mission, to spread the word of peace. Salam. And this is what we are doing. We travel to Europe, we have dialogue conferences with the not yet Muslim. I call them not yet Muslim. Saya panggil mereka belum Islam. Saya tak suka panggil bukan Islam, kerana satu hari dia boleh jadi Muslim. Kalau kita panggil bukan Islam, kita telah hukum dia. Lebih baik kita guna kalimat belum Islam. It's better to use not yet Muslim than non-Muslim. Because one day they become Muslim. Those who attack Islam in Europe, orang European yang attack Islam, Islam no good. What is Allah? Muhammad, he's a terrorist. They say our prophet, number one terrorist. So we will go. We go to Norway, we go to Denmark, we go to Holland. We have open dialogue with them. And then we will present Islam. Islam, Al-Quran wa Sunnah, not Ra'i, not Thaqafah. Bukan adat, bukan pandangan. Kita bawa Quran, wahyu, Sunnah Nabi, kita dedahkan kepada mereka. We expose them to the true teaching of Islam based on the Quran and the Sunnah, and then they accept. If that is true, we can accept. Islam is a good religion. And we will invite them to Islam, and they will become Islam on the spot. 20, 30 people will enter Islam after the conference. We give khutbah in the mosque in Germany. Yeah, in Germany we give khutbah. In Belgium, Holland, we give khutbah Jum'ah. Not yet Muslim can come inside the mosque and sit one corner and listen. And then after Jumat, if they got hidayah, they come to us, Imam, I want to be a Muslim. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammad. Very simple. Senang orang masuk Islam di barat. Dia serang Islam, kita pergi adakan dialog. Lepas itu kita terangkan mereka apa itu Islam yang sebenar, ikut Quran dan Sunnah Nabi, mereka masuk Islam. Khutbah Jumaat, orang tak Islam boleh masuk masjid. Kita sediakan tempat untuk dengar khutbah dan dia boleh masuk Islam. And that's what we must do. But we must understand Islam based on the Quran and Sunnah. For the Chinese sister and the brother, we hope that you feel at home in Malaysia. Do you feel at home here? Do you feel at home, brother? Do you find yourself as a stranger in Malaysia? Hal antum minal ghuraba hina? Minal ghuraba? Lima. You look like most of the Chinese here. The difference, you are Muslim. You dress like a Muslim, alhamdulillah. But you must not feel that you are ghuraba. You must know how to mix around with the people. We have a lot of Chinese here. Do the Chinese here, brother, do the Chinese here feel that you are a stranger to them? Do you meet some Chinese in Malaysia, in Kedah? Do you know any Chinese in Kedah? Yes.
I know.
Huh? You know. Daniel is a Chinese, a brother is a Chinese, I'm a Chinese. I was born here. I was born in Kedah. Ini anak Kedah. Kulit Kedah. Lahir di Kulit. Besar di Pulau Pinang, masuk Islam di Pulau Pinang, sekarang tinggal Kuala Lumpur. Sama. Dan bukan Tarim Jaya. Now to the sisters, if you are coming to Kuala Lumpur, on and off, you can join us. We have a center in Kuala Lumpur. We have a home. We have a home for orphans, Aitam, Darul Aitam. This home can cater 150 Aitam. And now we have 70 Aitam. Anytime that you come to Kuala Lumpur, you want to spend some time with us, let us know. You can contact us later, inshallah. Yeah. And all the brothers, when you're coming to Kuala Lumpur, also you can contact us. Yeah. Because we want you to feel at home. Yeah. Orang Islam di mana dia pergi, dia mesti rasa ini rumah dia. Ini adalah bumi Allah. Semua orang Islam adalah saudara. Saya tanya tadi, pelajar-pelajar dari Cina, you rasa ganjil tidak? Terasing tidak duduk di Malaysia? Dia kata ya. Kenapa dia rasa begitu? Mungkin kita tidak mendekati mereka. Kita tidak buka pintu kita, orang Islam silah datang ke rumah. Tak tahulah kita ajak tak orang-orang Islam datang rumah kita, selalu ajak kan? You know one thing, the beauty of the Muslim here in Malaysia, especially Raya, Hari Raya. You know what is Hari Raya? You know what is Hari Raya? Idul Fitri. You Ramadan, how many days you fast in Ramadan? Kam yom tasum fi Ramadan? Kam yom? Ashra yom? When you fast in Ramadan, normally how many days you fast? How many days? 3 days? 30 days. 1 month. You see, Malaysia have a very good spirit. You fast 1 month, you celebrate it 1 month. Malaysia. Only happen in Malaysia only. Unique, very unique. Puasa 1 bulan, raya pun 1 bulan. Open house. Open house. Every day got open house. You can go to their house free of charge, free food. Ini nikmat berlaku di Malaysia ya. Negeri Arab, lepas Mahir Raya semua balik rumah, tutup rumah, tak keluar lagi lah. Jangan ganggu dia, nak tidur. Tapi budaya kita, alhamdulillah, so you can welcome all the brothers. Lain kali ajak mereka, tanya mana satu persatuan Islam yang jaga saudara-saudara yang bukan Melayu. Ajak mereka supaya bersama kita, supaya mereka rasa semangat keluarga dalam Islam. Ini cantik, kerana Islam itu agama persaudaraan. Because we are like a family. Ailah wahid. Al-Muslim akhuhu Muslim. But you must be part of the community. You must welcome yourself. This is important. This is the spirit of Islam. We must adjust ourselves. Now you are in Malaysia. Alhamdulillah, how many sisters can speak Melayu sekarang? How many sisters here from China can speak Malay? Can you raise up your hand? Sikit-sikit. Alhamdulillah. How many Malaysian can speak Chinese here? Can you? This is Chinese. How many Malay can speak Chinese? Yeah, some, 1, 2, some. Ten. Just like me, Man lại. Alhamdulillah, we get to know each other. There's nothing wrong. Allah said, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ خَلْقُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَاخْتِلَافِ وَمِنْ آيَاتِ وَاخْتِلَافِ أَلْسِنَتِكُمْ وَأَلْوَانِكُمْ. All the different languages is from Allah. Semua bahasa ini Allah punya. Jangan kita ingat ini bahasa Kapia. Siapa kata bahasa Kapia? Mana ada bahasa Kapia? Kadang-kadang kita pun satu hal juga. Kalimat Kapia pun tak ada dalam bahasa Arab. Yang ada kafir saja. Orang utara panggil Kapia. Tak ada Kapia. Semua bahasa Allah punya. Cina pun Allah punya makhluk. Hindu pun Allah punya makhluk. Syaitan pun Allah jadi. Hanya Allah uji kita dan Dia suruh kita ikut apa yang Dia perintah, jangan ikut apa yang Dia larang. We are not supposed to say that I'm a Muslim, I cannot speak Chinese. I know last time when I was praying in one mosque, when I first became a Muslim, in the late 60s, I became a Muslim. Suddenly the Imam gave a khutbah and he used some English word. So after khutbah, some elderly Muslims said, today Jumat batal. No, not sah. Why? Because he speak kafir language in khutbah. So they pray Zohor. Because they thought Islamic word is only Arabic. No. There are a lot of Arab who are non-Muslim. In Egypt, you have the Qibtiyya. They are Nasraniyun. They are not Muslim. You still have a lot of non-Muslim Arab in Middle East. Arab is a language. Chinese is a language. Any language that do not contradict Islam is considered Islamic language. Chinese have his culture. Malay have their culture. Arab have their culture. Indian have their culture. Any culture do not contradict with Islam, Islamic culture. Because Islam is rich with culture, language. Islam is for everybody. You know what is Islam? I show you what is Islam. Now this is Islam. ISLAM. I shall love all mankind. Not I shall love all Malay only. No. I shall love all Muslim only. No. I shall love all mankind. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. Allah sent Prophet Muhammad to bring mercy to everybody. Islam is for all. Not only for one nation, one tribe. No. For all. Islam milik semua orang. Bukan milik satu bangsa. Kalimah ini pun dah cantik. I shall love all mankind. The power of love. Duribat alaihimul zillatu aynama thuqifu illa bihabli min Allah wa habli minan nas. Every one of us will be a loser. Wherever you go, you can be a loser until you have a good relationship with Allah and a good relationship, love Allah and love mankind. All mankind. How do you say all people in Chinese? All mankind, how do you say it in Chinese? Yeah? Chanle. All people you must love. Whether he is a Muslim or not yet Muslim, you must love them. Bring them closer to Islam. Without love, you cannot do da'wah. You are here to learn about Islam. You go home, you must have a project. You must have a plan. I'm not going to go home to bring my degree to work and class. No. I'm going home, I want to call my people to Islam. That is your mission. And that is your mission. We must have a mission. You know what I found out in Shanghai? 50 years ago, 50 years ago in China, Shanghai, you have only 9 mosques, 9 masjid. Until today, still 9 masjid. 50 years ago, 3 churches. 3 churches. Today, thousands of churches. 50 tahun dulu di Shanghai saja ada 9 buah masjid. 2 minggu lalu saya masih di Shanghai, tinggal 9 masjid juga. 50 tahun dulu 3 gereja, sekarang 1000 gereja. Kerana orang Kristen dakwah, orang Islam tak berdakwah. Why there are so many Christians? Because the Christian do dakwah, the Muslims sleeping. That is the problem.